In this quick guide, you'll learn how to make a histogram in Tableau. A histogram is a fantastic way to visually represent the distribution of numerical data, allowing you to see patterns and trends at a glance. Whether you're new to Tableau or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to tableau.com. If you haven't already, download and install Tableau on your computer. For those who have Tableau installed, open the application and you'll be greeted with the Startup page. Here, you'll see various options, but for our purpose, you'll want to focus on the Recent section. This area displays your most recent workbooks and data connections. Select the relevant project you want to work on by clicking on it. If you don't see your project, navigate to the File menu to open an existing workbook. Next, let's dive into creating the histogram. On the left pane, you'll notice a section labeled Tables, listing all the fields available in your dataset. Look for the Profit Bin field, which is essential for building a histogram. Click on it, hold, and then drag it onto the Columns section at the top of the interface. This action will define the x-axis of your histogram, representing the bins of data you want to visualize. Now, direct your attention back to the Tables section and locate the Profit field. Click and drag this field over to the Rows section. By doing this, you are setting the y-axis, which will display the frequency of data points within each bin. This step is crucial because it allows Tableau to calculate and display the distribution of your data effectively. Once you have your fields in place, it's time to adjust the view for optimal visualization. At the top of the Tableau interface, there's an option labeled Entire View. Click on this to ensure your histogram fits the screen perfectly. This adjustment is particularly helpful when presenting your data to others or analyzing it in detail, as it provides a comprehensive view without the need to scroll or resize manually. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to create a histogram in Tableau. By following these steps, you can easily transform raw data into a visual story that highlights key insights and trends. Remember, histograms are powerful tools for data analysis, allowing you to quickly discern patterns that might not be immediately apparent in tabular data. Feel free to experiment with different fields and customizations to enhance your histogram further. Tableau offers a range of features and settings to refine your visualizations, such as adjusting bin sizes, changing color schemes, and adding labels for clarity. As you become more comfortable with the software, you'll discover new ways to present your data in an engaging and informative manner. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing with Tableau.